Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Today's videos I'm going to do a skincare tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you how to achieve a glossy skin. So what's a glossy skin? Meaning that your skin's radiant, luminous, glowing naturally without using any type of makeup or even filter. If that's something that you want to see and how to make that happen to your own face, stay tuned and let's do this together. Alright, so I thought that we can do this together, and then at the end of the video you can leave a comment below and let me know if it's working or not. So first thing I want to share with you a couple items that you will need to achieve the glossy looking skin. First, you need some type of exfoliator, meaning that something with the little physical beads in there can gently polish off the skin. And I personally like to use something more hydrating, so I'm going to use the La Mer Replenishing Oil Exfoliator. Basically, it's exfoliating with oil in there. If you have a more oily skin, you can use something without oil, or you can use something like WISHFUL by Yo Glow, and this is also exfoliating treatment. So basically, any type of exfoliating treatment, that's what you need. So number one, exfoliator. Number two, you need a toner, and you need something that's really good for hydration purpose. You don't want to use anything that has a mattify in there, meaning that their toner actually took away all the shine on the skin. You don't want to do that. You want hydration. So I recently found this brand in Japanese supermarket called Momo Puri. It's a peach toner. It's cute, but it's very hydrating, so I'm going to use this on my skin too. So you need a toner. Alright. Next thing you need some type of mask, and you want something to hydrating rather than deep cleansing, because if you cleanse too much, then will actually make your skin kind of dry out a little bit. So I'm going to use the Pharmacy Honey Potions as my hydrating mask, but any type of hydrating mask should be fine. And by the way, what is a hydrating mask? What does it feels like? That means something feel like a cream rather than dry out item. So you can leave it on the skin and intense hydration. Alright, the next item you're gonna need is the essence. Any type of essence you can find, that's great, but personally, this is my favorite, SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. And to finish this, you need two more things. You need moisturizer and eye treatment. I definitely recommend, if you want to get a glossy skin, you want to find a moisturizer that's very watery, not very density. And again, this is the product from the Momo Puri. It's really cute. It basically looks like a water gel. Any type of moisturizer like this should be fine. And then I'm going to use my favorite eye treatment by Sisley. It is called, hold please, Eye Contour Mask. It is eye mask, but I use this as eye lotion a lot of time. And how we're going to do this is I'm going to take a picture of myself right now so you can see it before and after. Okay, so you got everything ready? Now, let's get started. I already washed my face. So I decided to do something special to show you. I'm going to put the oil exfoliator on half my face, and the other one I'm going to use the regular drier, more like a dry exfoliator, so you can see a difference on the skin a little bit, okay? So first I'm going to use the Yo Glow, the ENZYME scrub. What is so cool about this particular product, I had this video done a couple weeks ago. I really exfoliate the skin. And what you need to have a dry skin. Then you want to place this on the face like this. Okay? Then you're going to let this dry for a little bit before you polish off. Remember, dry skin is the trick. So put this around here on my forehead. So how are you guys doing? Seems like just about every state in US starting opening up. The gym is gonna be open. The restaurants are slowly opening. The mall is slowly opening. I'm kind of want to know, are you guys ready to just jump right in, or you want to kind of just hold out a little bit, because there's still a lot of case of coronavirus, and So I don't know, but personally, I think I'm gonna just stay put a little bit longer. I just don't want to catch anything, you know what I mean? All right, so this is by YoGlow Enzyme. So basically, will gently ease away my surface dead skin. Now, on this side, I'm gonna use the La Mer. I don't even know, do they still have this? I had this for a while now. So I'm gonna shake it a little bit. I feel like skincare, you need to find something that based on your skin conditions and concerns. And my condition is definitely on the drier side. So typically I like to use something more hydrating rather than dry my skin out. Okay, so let me show you this real quick. Let me kind of get close to show you guys. This is kind of cool though. It comes out like really kind of yellowish looking paste. And when you massage, you can see there's a little beads in there. Okay, you're supposed to wet your face a little bit, but since my face is very clean and I have a drier skin and there's oil in there, I'm going to skip that part. So I'll just place this on the skin first. Okay, the best way to exfoliate the skin is not to really scrub out, because when you do that, you're actually gonna stress out your skin, and when your skin stressed, you're gonna have other issues on the face. So I like to just kind of place on my skin a little bit, let the product sit on the skin a little bit, and let them do their own work, meaning softening the skin. Because this has oil, essential oil in there, so it's very, very gentle. So I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, we're gonna let the skin sit about 5 minutes. I'm gonna come back to remove them. Alright, so it's been about 4 minutes on my face. So first I want to do is I'm going to gently add a little water on the La Mer skincare part, because you're supposed to use a little water to activate. So let's try that. So watch this. When you put water on this oil exfoliator, instantly become more hydrating, because the oil and the water kind of immerse together, so it doesn't dry out your skin too much. And when you massage, you want to be very small circular motions. This is what I told the client or people out there. If you have any dry patches area, you really want to make sure that you put some kind of hydrating property first before you exfoliate. Otherwise, you can make more drier on the skin. So very simple like this. You want to stay away around the eye area. Okay. I'm gonna need a little bit more water. Oops, excuse me, the air just turned on. It is so hot in California right now, I gotta turn on the air. So I apologize for the air conditioning sound. Okay. Okay, so we really work on the nose area. The reason why you want to really polish off surface dead skin is because if you don't polish off this dead skin on surface, none of the skincare gonna go in. Then you're not gonna get the glossy looking skin or glass skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna go rinse it off on this side, and then I'll be back. Oh wait, I'm gonna polish off this first, then I'll go rinse off together. Duh. Okay. All right, so I'm going to. So this is the WISHFUL by YoGlow. You want to leave this on and then just kind of massage like this. I think I leave on for a little too long. You can see the stuff is coming out of my face right now. See that? So you really need to make sure your skin is dry before they can polish out that skin. So one thing about this kind of mask you want to be careful is that if you are really dry, you really want to avoid that. This is good for oily skin, because if you're already dry and you kind of rub it off the dead skin with the enzyme, you actually create some pressures, you know. So, but if you're oily, you will like this. See this coming out like that? Kind of scary, right? That's how they exfoliate the skin like this. I look kind of weird. Okay. And you can see that as I massage, I move my skin a lot. So that's something you also need to be careful, that if you have more sag, you know, Asian skin, moving so much is actually damage your skin too. So, okay. So I'm gonna rinse off water and I'll be right back. Okay, I just rinsed off water on my face. Which side do you think you polish it up more? I think this one looks more brighter though. Yeah, this one is definitely brighter skin tone. This one, it's good, but it's not as bright. You can see the difference, right? Okay, before I apply the mask, you want to make sure you use a toner because you just want to make sure that you completely remove the residue from the mask or anything on there. So this is by Momo Puri. It's a Japanese skincare. I got it from the Japanese market, and it smells like a peach. Smell that? Oh, it smells so good. And this is more like a hydrating toner, and I will use this on the cotton pads. Everything is dripping. Oh my goodness. All right. So the way I use toner is gently wipe from the center of the nose towards the ear area. That's all you need to do. Okay. So this, excuse me. So this toner will hydrate the skin and remove the residue of the skin. Then I'm going to turn the cotton pad around to the other side. Repeat on this side of the face. Okay, you're following me doing this now? Oh my god, I think my face is so weird looking. Hold on. Seems like this side is much more brighter than this side. Interesting. Alright, so let's move on to the next step now. Now your skin is clean. You want to apply your hydrating, moisturizing face mask. Do I recommend a sheet mask? Yeah, you can use sheet mask, but you want to make sure that the sheet mask that you're using is for dry skin. So I'm going to make my skin dry a little bit first. Okay. Oh, let me take a selfie first. Hold please. Oh my god, on the picture you can totally see a difference. Yeah, let me show you guys. See that? Huh, interesting. Alright, so my skin's dry now. This is by Pharmacy. I actually got this from the BoxyCharm Luxe box. I mean, come on, full-size product. It's amazing. I'm gonna put this on my face like that. The tip when you're using the hydrating mask is very simple. Don't be cheap. More you use, more hydrated your skin going to be, okay? So really just kind of put a lot amount in the skin. Alright, so let's kind of gently massage to the skin like that. Because it's a hydrating mask, you can use around the eye area. If you use clay mask, you really want to avoid the eye area, because that's not good. So, really cool thing about this Pharmacy honey mask, it's actually self-heating mask. So when you apply it on the skin, it will heat up a little bit. So it feels really good. So much work to get the gloss skin, right? But the truth is that if you take care of your skin regularly, you don't need to do all this. You should be able to just wash your face, put on your skincare, get a glossy looking skin. But I'm just afraid that not all of your skin is ready for that. So we just need a little step before so it can help you to get the skin that you want. Okay? So I'm going to leave this on for a few minutes and rinse off with water. And we will be back. Not bad. Ta-da! This is after I wash off with water. And look at my skin. Ready for next step? Okay, anytime you wash your face with water, you should always use toner right away. So I'm going to put more of the toner on my skin. So just make sure that I completely remove the residue from the water. Any leftover mass is all gone. So again, just from center to the side, gently like that. Turn the cotton around and you do it on the side. How's your face feel right now? Leave a comment below. I would love to hear that. So what you're supposed to feel, your skin should feel very clean, very smooth. You shouldn't feel dry out. If you feel dry out, meaning that you're using the wrong exfoliator for your skin. That means your skin's telling you right now. Alright. Now, after the toner, the next I want to use the essence. It doesn't have to be the SK2 essence. It can be any essence in the market. You just want to make sure the essence that you're using is actually for, it has a hydrating properties in there. Good thing about the SK2 essence, it balances, it renews the skin. It hydrates the skin within. It do a lot of good stuff for the face. It's gonna put this on the skin like that. The trick is put enough essence, you can see the water on the face. I mean the essence on the skin. And you just lightly pat it on your face entirely like this. You want to kind of pat until it layer dry. Sometimes use a little bit more, it's okay. I swear that I'm looking at the camera right now. This side looks so much more brighter than this one. Literally, this is like a whiter looking skin here. It's so weird. I never knew the Puri La Mer has this effect on my face. Wow, good to know. Alright, so I'm going to finish my face with the Momo Puri, the peach cream. Like I said before, you want something more like a gelatin texture rather than heavy duty cream, or you want some type of lotion. You don't want to use a clear moisturizer. You know what I'm talking about, like clear gel. That does not work, okay? So this is like the gelatin, kind of like this. See that? Okay, so I'm going to just put this right here on my face. So you just want to lightly, gently massage to the skin. As you massage, if you worry about aging, you always want to massage upward and towards the side, like this. Very gently. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit more on this side here. Massage upward towards the side like this. Around my nose, my forehead. So if you wonder, well, what about my serum? Well, you can definitely apply serum if you want to, but I would definitely focus on more hydrating. To get that glossy, radiant, luminous looking skin, you need a lot of hydration. So, you know, you already exfoliate in the beginning, in the cleansing steps. So your treatment should be all about hydrating. Don't need to put any type of exfoliating serum because that will be overkill. Alright, look, let's finish on my eyes right now. Like I say, to get this particular look, you have to use everything. The texture should be lightweight gel rather than heavy cream, okay? So otherwise it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put this around the eye here. You can see. So let's wait till it's dry a little bit before we show you the complete result. How's your face feel? Oh my goodness. Please, 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 if you're doing this with me right now, definitely leave a comment. Let me know, you know, do you feel the same way I feel? Because it's always good to hear that, you know, I share a tip with you, then you actually work on your skin. That's just so rewarding for me. And the only way I know if it's working if you tell me. So definitely do tell me. And also you can always leave a comment on my Instagram, Skin by Steve Jan. And that account is all about beauty product. And if you want to know about fashion, luxury, travel, you want to go to Mr. Jan all-in-one. Alright, so let's just wait for a couple minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, it's about 4 or 5 minutes after I put my moisturizer, so you can see my skin a little bit. Do you see a little dewiness, glossy looking on my skin? What do you think? And check yourself out in the mirror, see do you have the same effect. So this is what I'm going to do, that I'm going to take another picture in about an hour. I'm going to post right here to show you how's my skin look, so you can see if this result gonna last. If you do it right, it should last throughout the day, that luminous looking skin. If you don't get that, that pretty much means that in one of the steps that you're not using the right product for your skin conditions, and that's very, very important to know. Alright, so I want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. It means a lot to me, and thank you for your support on all my social media. And because it give me a drive and let me continue do my passion, that is the fashion, the luxury, the Louis Vuitton unboxing. I've been doing a lot of that lately, and then obviously of course the skincare too. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys next week. Okay, bye.